again. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a parabola. Okay, let's start. But one thing first. First, I'll tell you one fact about a parabola and a regular graph. See, a parabola comes like this. And a regular graph comes in a straight line or cross. And how we know it's a parabola, if before the equation's going to be like y equals to x, just x, it's going to be a straight line or a diagonal line. If it's y equals to x squared, it's going to be a parabola, like U. If it's like y equals to minus x squared, it's going to be like an upside down U. Okay, let's get started. Okay. So the equation first is going to be y equals to x squared. Okay? See, I told you in the beginning of the video, if it's x squared, it's going to be a parabola. Okay? Now, first thing is to make some table values. We have to get some negative values and some positive values. Okay, now we just need to substitute x values into the equation. So, y equals, if it's x squared, it's the number that we multiply by itself. So, like minus 2, x squared is going to be minus 2 times minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2 equals positive 4. So it's going to be positive 4. Now it's going to do the same thing, but it's going to be 1. Y equals to minus 1 times minus 1. It's going to be positive 1. But 0, it's going to be 0 times 0, it's going to be 0. So it's easy. Now 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. And then 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? Next step is to plot these values in the graph. See, minus 2 and 4. Minus 2 and 4 is right over here. Now, minus 1 and 1. Right over here. Is 0 and 0. Right here. 1 and 1. Right over here. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is all the way up here. Now, it's going to be like a U because it's a parabola. See, I told you, because if it's x squared, it's going to be up. If it's negative, I'll show you how it's going to be if it's negative. It's going to be, let's put minus x squared. Okay? Just erase this graph. Minus, first step is to make some table values. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Minus x squared, minus 2. Remember, x squared is that number times itself. Minus 2 times minus 2. Positive 4. And there's a negative. So we need to add that negative. Equals minus 4. Okay? This is going to be minus 4. Minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 equals 1. Minus, there's a what? There's a minus. It's going to be minus 1. 0, it's going to be 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. There's a minus equals minus 1. 2. That will be 2 times 2 equals 4, and there's a minus equals minus 4. Okay, minus 2 and 4. Minus 2, 4, we still didn't. Okay, minus 2 and minus 4, right over here. Then minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is right here. Right here. 0 and 0. Same thing right here. 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. 2 and minus 4. 2 and minus 4. See, told you in the beginning of the video, it's going to come down. Okay? So that's how you graph parabolas. I hope you understand my teaching. Thank you for listening.